Let us solve for x and y given x plus y is equal to 10, sy is equal to 23. Here, x plus y is equal to 10. Let us call this equation 1. Sy is equal to 23. Let us call this equation 2. From equation 1, x plus y is equal to 10. Let us make y the subject. Y is equal to 10 minus s. This is equation 3. From equation 2, here sy is equal to 23. Xy is equal to 23. Let us substitute for y, which is 10 minus x. S bracket 10 minus s is equal to 23. Now let's open the bracket. S multiplied by 10. 10x minus s multiplied by x. S square is equal to 23. This can be written as minus s square plus 10s. If you bring this 23 to the left hand side, it becomes minus 23 is equal to 0. Let us divide the whole of this equation by minus 1. Minus s squared divided by minus 1. This will give s squared plus 10x divided by minus 1 minus 10x minus 23 divided by minus 1 plus 23 is equal to 0. This is a quadratic equation. Let us solve this using quadratic formula. S is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. Then from this equation, a is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 10, c is equal to 23. S is equal to minus bracket minus 10 plus or minus square root of minus 10 square minus 4 multiplied by 1 multiplied by 23, which is c, divided by 2 multiplied by 1. S is equal to minus times minus 10. Minus times minus 10, that is 10 plus or minus square root of minus 10 square, 100, minus 4 multiplied by 1 multiplied by 23, that is 92, divided by 2 multiplied by 1, 2. S is equal to 10 plus or minus square root of 100 minus 92, that is 8, divided by 2. And this can be written as 10 plus or minus square root of 8 is 4 multiplied by 2 divided by 2. S is equal to 10 divided by 2 plus or minus square root of 4 is 2 divided by 2, then root 2. This cancel this. 2 here 1, 2 here 5. S is equal to 5 plus or minus square root of 2. This is the value of s. We've gotten the values of s. Let us solve for y. To solve for y, here S is 5 plus root 2, or S is equal to 5 minus root 2. Let's call this S2 and this is S1. From equation 3, y is equal to 10 minus x. Y1 is equal to 10 minus S1 is 5 plus root 2, and y2 is equal to 10 minus S2 is 5 minus root 2. Y1 is equal to 10 minus, if you open the bracket with negative, we have 5 minus root 2. Y1 is equal to 10 minus 5. This is 5 minus root 2. This is the value of y1. Then y2 is equal to 10 minus 5 plus root 2. Y2 is equal to 10 minus 5. This is 5 plus root 2. This is the value of y2. We've gotten the value of s and y. Therefore, our final answer are s1, y1 is equal to 5 plus root 2, 5 minus root 2. S2, y2 is equal to 5 minus root 2, 5 plus root 2. These are the values of s and y. We may check to confirm if this answer is right or wrong. You can see that from here, the value of s1 is equal to the value of y2, and the value of y1 is equal to the value of s2. Let us check. To check, the given equations are s plus y is equal to 10, sy is equal to 23. Let us consider this. S plus y, this can be written as 5 plus root 2 plus 5 minus root 2 must be equal to 10. This cancel this. We have 5 plus 5. This is 10 is equal to 10, which is true. Let us consider this. Sy, this can be written as 5 plus root 2 multiplied by 5 minus root 2 must be equal to 23. Here we have 5 times 5, that is 25, minus 5 multiplied by root 2, that is 5 root 2 plus root 2 multiplied by 5, 5 root 2 minus root 2 multiplied by root 2, that is root 2 square, must be equal to 23. This cancel this. We have 25 minus this square cancel root 2 must be equal to 23. 25 minus 23, this is 23, is equal to 23, which is true. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Please subscribe. Bye.